Hello guys! I am too happy to announce the inauguration of Marine Technical Training Academy, the new facilities located in Sour Ranches, Florida. Yes, we are going to start with a new electrical program, starting on a Friday, March 21st. Each Friday from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. we have laboratories. And we are going to take 3 courses: Basic Electricity, Advanced Electricity, and Marine Electronics. Each course will be 1 month. In each course we are going to follow the book of Marine Electricity, the Marine Electricity Handbook, and the book of Marine Electronics. Okay, each course will be 4 weeks, and during the week you only assist to the laboratory on Fridays. During the week you follow the videos, you follow the book according with the syllabus, the roadmap that you receive as soon as you register. What is the idea? Enter in my website at www.mtt.edu right now and select the Marine Electrical Program and enroll in the Marine Electrical Program. Or if you wanted, you can take the classes one per one and you pay individually. You paid for Basic Electricity, after that for Advanced Electricity, and the last one Marine Electronics. If you pay the program in full payment, you only paid basically for 2 courses and you take 3. This is the deal. All right, but that's depend on you. What you prefer? You prefer pay per each course, or you prefer pay in advance for the program, and you take the 3 courses. We are going to start the first laboratory on Friday, March 21st, and we are going to finish the second Friday of June 13th. We are going to cover 3 courses. And I am going to prepare you to take the ABYC electrical certification. This is optional, it's not included in the price of the course, but you will be ready to take and pass that certification. And also, in the last course in Marine Electronics, I am going to prepare you to take the NEMA certification. Okay? This is the program, the Marine Electrical Program, in English, in our new facilities in Sour Ranches with the great laboratories, new classroom, located in Sour Ranches. It's basically Griffin Road with I-75. Okay guys, register right now. We have limited seats, and you are ready to start to work in the marine industry, or if you are working in the marine industry, this is the moment to take a good training, the training necessary for any marine technician.